Okay, hello fellas and welcome. I hope everyone's doing good tonight, guys. We hustle here to get the breaks done ASAP, fellas. It's the 1st of March. It's about close to 8 p.m., fellas. And we got the Bowman Sterling, the 2012 back in, guys. This stuff is awesome. My personal favorite, guys. The rookie class is amazing. The card values are amazing. And hopefully we can make somebody's night tonight, fellas. Here's a sheet. If you bought a spot, you're on this sheet. This is just so you know the video is current, guys, and that you're at the correct break. And as always, guys, any questions whatsoever, anything at all, just send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to help. And best of luck to everybody tonight, and continue to check out breaks, guys. We'll be doing the rest of the box, plus the box topper, the next couple days here. Okay, guys, that's enough out of me. Best of luck to everybody, guys, and we'll get right to it, fellas. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck. Right to it, fellas. First card, to the Bills. It's going to be Glenn. To the Bills. Buffalo Bills, Glenn. To the Colts. It's Harnish. These cards are so cool, guys. The chrome on them looks amazing, man. So much better than 2013's, I think. To the Colts. To those Hogs. RG3. Nice rookie. To the Redskins. RG3. Okay, fellas. More jumbo for the night. Going to the Seahawks. Russell Wilson peeking his head out in the first pack. Cool hit for the Seahawks. Very cool. Russell Wilson to Seattle, guys. And our autograph for the evening, guys, going to those Titans, it's going to be Thompson. To the Titans. Okay, fellas, that does it for tonight. Like I said, thanks for all purchases, guys. And if you have any questions or need help with anything, guys, just send me a message. Thanks so much for all purchases, fellas, and have a wonderful night. If you need me, send me a message. Thank you.